Let's learn how to use the Styles settings in Helperbird. First up, let's learn how to change the text color. Scroll to the Styles and Colors section. Click to toggle the text setting to on. Select which color you'd like to use. How to change the link color in Helperbird. Scroll to Links under Styles and Colors. Click to toggle the link setting on. Here there are two different settings. One for links that you haven't visited. Select the color. For text links you haven't clicked on before. And under Visited, choose the color. For the text links of websites you've already clicked on and visited, if you would like them displayed in a different color. How to change the background color in Helperbird. Scroll to Styles and Colors. Click to toggle Background to on. Select a new color for your background. This feature pairs great when you customize your text and link colors along with your background color. How to change the highlight color in Helperbird. Click to toggle Highlight Color to on. The highlight color affects when you click and drag and highlight text. There are a variety of colors you can choose. Now when you click and drag over text, it will display the color you've chosen. This setting also changes the color for the highlight tool in the Quick Action menu. It will leave behind that highlighted color, much like highlighting text with a marker on a piece of paper.